Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share my little um, Dollar Tree candy box journal. And I love how it turned out. It is adorable. It is I think I already measured it, but it's oops, oh, I think it's 3 3/4 by 5 and 7/8, I think. But it is so adorable. Um, it's one signature. I could have put 2 signatures in here, but I didn't want it to get too chunky. And then I used I don't know what kind of stitch this is, but I used some twine from my stash. Um, Everything I used was from my stash. I used some old washi tape um, just to give the spine some stability. Um, I had it in my stash for a long time. And then I used some pom-pom trim, and this trim I don't even remember because I have a bag. I just have a bag of trim. I think somebody had gifted this to me, which I'm so bad of not labeling them. And then as you open it up, I have one of these pockets from Target. It's like one of those label for organizing, but it's a smaller version. I have the square ones, but I wanted to use this, and I turned it on its side for a pocket. And then here's another type of trim. It's like a ruffle trim. This is pattern paper. This is a Dollar Tree coloring book. I should have tea-dyed this paper, but like some paper, I don't know if this paper would not dissolve, but do well. I did do some coffee dyeing papers. There's a ledger from the Dollar Tree. I have a couple books of that. I love the ledger paper. Here's a little white doily. This is just a regular lined paper that I coffee dyed. And then here's a 4x6 index card. Here's another piece of that paper, the coloring book paper, coffee dye paper. I love the green it gives to because I have a lot of red. This ledger paper just adds a little green to it. Another doily. This is half of the other doily. Here's a pattern paper, and that's the center of my book. And then I added some of this ruffle trim, and look how it looks. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. So cute. Here's the other side of the index card, line paper. And here's another pocket that I added in the back. I just love how this turned out. More of that tea-dyed ledger paper and regular coffee paper. So yeah, that is my book, or my journal. I don't know if I'm going to use this for a December daily. I want to make a couple more of these. These were really easy to put together. So much fun. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.